Welcome students, welcome to the video class. Today we will discuss the topic that is magnetic field of a bar magnet at any equatorial point. ठीक है, equatorial point को हमें broad side on position भी कही परिवा. तो this is also an long question. This is also a long question. ठीक है. तो again ଟିକେ କରିବା. Magnetic field of a bar magnet at any equatorial point. That is also called ब्रोड साइड ऑन पोजिशन भी कहा जाए. ओके, तो आम लास्ट वीडियो रे डिस्कस करिथिले दैट इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू अ बार मैग्नेट एट एनी एक्सियल पॉइंट. एटा हला इक्वेटोरियल पॉइंट. ठीक है, तो वी हैव टेकन दिस ए बार मैग्नेट एंड एट पॉइंट P वी हैव फाउंड द नेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ठीक है, तो नेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड मैग्नीट्यूड आस्थिला दैट इज mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r square minus l square whole square. ठीक है, and the direction was along PB, in this direction. This is P, this is B. और आमे इटा को perfectly कहि परिबा जो direction PB अछि it is the same direction of south to north. PB direction जोटा south to north direction मध्ये सेटा. तो we can say the direction is from south to north. ठीक है, तो magnitude is mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r square minus l square whole square and the direction is south to north. आउट कथा दिस इज कि हमें डाइपोल मूवमेंट सॉरी मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मूवमेंट जानिछे दैट इज इक्वल टू दैट इज m into 2l. मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मूवमेंट रो डायरेक्शन मध्य that is also from south to north. Magnetic dipole moment direction is also from south to north. That means we can say magnetic dipole moment direction जोटा magnetic field or net magnetic field due to a bar magnet at any axial point or direction was same, that is from south to north. ठीक है, and if out कथा if it is an ideal dipole, if that magnetic dipole is an ideal dipole, so in that case B net is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube. Mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube, and that direction is from south to north. It हम maximum use करिबा. ठीक है, okay. So let us again go to this topic. It is magnetic field of a bar magnet at any equatorial point. ठीक है, so let us say this is the bar magnet. ठीक है, so let us say this is the equatorial line, the line which is passing through the center of the magnet and perpendicular to the axial line is called equatorial line. ठीक, so any point lying on this is called equatorial point. ठीक, so let us say this is your equatorial. Let us consider this. Let us say this. Let us say point P is any equatorial point. ठीक है, तो magnetic field of a bar magnet, this is your bar magnet at any equatorial point. So this is your, let us say this is your equatorial point. So as per the question or as per the topic, we are going to find the net magnetic field at this point. ठीक है, तो let us say this is the north pole of the magnet and this is the south pole of the magnet. Let the pole strength is m. Let the pole strength of north pole and south pole is m. ठीक है, तो this north pole will produce a magnetic field at this point. This north pole will produce a magnetic field at this point. हमें जानिछे that is for the north pole the field lines are outward, so that means it will produce a magnetic field in this direction. तो ठीक है, the north pole will produce a magnetic field at point B that is in outward direction. ठीक है, similarly the south pole will also produce a magnetic field at this point. So the direction कौन होगा? The direction is inward. So that means inward. The north pole will produce a magnetic field that is outward. The south pole will produce a magnetic field that is inward. ठीक? By using vectors, we will find the net magnetic field at point P. ठीक है? By using vectors, we will find the net magnetic field at point P. ठीक है? Consider a bar magnet AB. Consider a bar magnet AB having pole strength M and the two poles, north pole and south pole, at A and B. ठीक है? Let the magnetic length is 2L. Again I am saying, consider a bar magnet AB having pole strength M. This is the north pole, this is the south pole, and the magnetic length is 2L. If the magnetic length is 2L, the distance of the south pole from the center is L, and the distance of the north pole from the center is also L, because magnetic length is 2L. ठीक है? So as per the question or this topic, consider a point P which lies on the equatorial line. Consider any point P which lies on the equatorial line, where we are going to find the net magnetic field due to a bar magnet. ठीक है? Again, consider a point P which lies on the equatorial line, where the magnetic field is to be found for the bar magnet. ठीक है? Let that point P is r distance. Let that point P is r distance from the center of the bar magnet. Again, let that point P is r distance from the center of the dipole, or that is bar magnet. Center ru P रो distance is r. ठीक है? तो let us say B1 is the magnetic field produced by the north pole at point P. Let us say B1 is the magnetic field let us say this is produced by the north pole at point P. ठीक है? तो north pole will produce magnetic field that is outward in nature. तो direction कौन होगा? This. तो like this. ठीक है? तो B1 is the magnetic field strength, magnetic field or magnetic field strength produced by the north pole at point P. हमें जानना चाहिए north pole will produce a magnetic field that is outward. तो B1 is outward in nature. ठीक है? तारा magnitude कितना होगा? Magnitude B1 is equal to mu naught by 4 pi pole strength of the north pole, that is M, distance of the north pole from point P, so that is कितना होगा? এটা AP, so এটা AP रो whole square. ठीक है? तो direction कौन होगा? this is P, এটা को x नहीं चाहिए, तो along PX. ठीक है? तो AP रो length टा बाहर करें, तो A, this is A होची, this is A, तो AO is length L, OP is length R, तो এটা ওটা right angle triangle, angle कितने? 90. तो this is L, this is R, and this is a right angle triangle. This is AOP is a right angle triangle, angle is 90 degree. So this is the hypotenuse, AP is the hypotenuse. So length कितना होगा? That is L square plus R square root over. तो L square plus R square root over. Similarly, ठीक है, तो हमें AP जगह केते पकेवा? That is L square plus R square root over whole square. ठीक है, एटी AP रो होल स्क्वायर थिला, तो AP इज केते L square plus R square root over तार होल स्क्वायर. तो एटा केते लिखि परिया? That is mu naught by 4 pi, that is m by L square plus R square, because root over square कटि जो, तो B1 is the magnitude of vector B1 is mu naught by 4 pi m by R square plus L square, sorry, that is L square plus R square. Again, B1 is mu naught 4 pi m by L square plus R square. Direction is along Px. So B1 is the magnetic field produced by the north pole. So let us say B2 is the magnetic field or magnetic field strength produced by south pole at point P. ठीक है, तो B2 is the magnetic field produced by the south pole at point P. ठीक है, तो केमती होगा? This is south pole, this is point P. हमें जानते south pole will produce a magnetic field that is inward in nature. तो B2 रो direction कौन होगा? Inward. North pole पे outward, south pole पे inward. तो B2 रो direction is inward. तो along PB. ठीक है, तो magnitude कौन होगा? B2 vector हो, that is mu naught by 4 pi pole strength of south pole, that is m, distance of south pole from point P, that is BP, or that is, ठीक है, तो eta L square plus R square हो, तो eta L, this is R, तो eta मतलब कितना हो? That is L square plus R square root over. तो इट सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो, so that is L square plus R square sorry, I'm very sorry, that is L square plus R square root over square. Direction कौन होगा? That is inward, that is P to B, तो along PB. ठीक है, और एटा B2 कौन लिखिबा? That is mu naught by 4 pi m by L square plus R square, and direction is along PB. ठीक है, तो if you see B1 and B2, the magnitude of the two magnetic field strength, then theta को value same, that is mu naught of 4 pi m by L square plus R square, eta मध्य होची mu naught of 4 pi m by L square plus R square. Only the direction is different. So we can say from this is B1 magnitude is equal to B2 magnitude. The magnitude of B1 is equal to magnitude of B2. ठीक है, direction देखिए, okay, तो let us say this, let us say this OA makes an angle theta with AP. Let the magnetic length, this OA makes an angle theta with AP. The line connecting the south pole and the point P. ठीक है, let us say this magnetic length makes an angle theta with AP. तो if this is theta, एटा हमर 90 होची, तो एटा केते होबो? 90 minus theta. ठीक है, if this is 90 minus theta एटा मध्य 90 minus theta हो ठीक अछि तो एटा गोटे हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन गोटे करबा so let us say this is y तो this is 90 minus theta तो एटा मध्य 90 minus theta हो तो एटा केते हो theta ठीक अछि again if this is theta एटा मध्य theta हो if this is theta this is 90 तो एटा केते हो एटा मध्य 90 minus theta तो this is theta this is 90 this is 90 minus theta if this is 90 minus theta एटा केते हो theta ठीक है so that means from this we can say the angle between b1 and b2 is theta plus theta that is 2 theta so हमको मिला the angle between this the vector b1 and b2 is 2 theta ठीक है magnetic field produced by north pole is b1 magnetic field produced by south pole is b2 the magnitude of b1 and b2 is equal and angle between b1 and b2 vector is 2 theta ठीक है by using vectors we will find the magnitude and direction at point P net magnitude and direction of the two vectors ठीक है okay we have two vectors b1 and b2 and angle between them is 2 theta magnitude is b1 and b2 so let us say b net is the magnitude of resultant vector of b1 and b2 ठीक तो b net कितना हो this is b1 square plus b2 square plus 2b1 b2 cos 2 theta रो root over again after कुछ तो हमार डेटा वेक्टर b1 b2 अछि angle between them is 2 theta b1 b2 angle between them is 2 theta so the magnitude of resultant vector let us say the resultant vector is bn let us say the resultant vector is bn तर magnitude कितना हो that is b1 square b2 square 2b1 b2 cos angle between the two vector 2 theta or root over ठीक है and this is equal to हमें जानी चाहिए this is b1 is equal to b2 magnitude of b1 is equal to b2 बाहर करते हैं तो this is b1 square plus b2 जगह b1 पके दो plus 2b1 cos 2 theta root over so this is 2b1 square plus 2b1 square cos 2 theta ठीक है so this is 2b1 square 1 plus cos 2 theta this is 2b1 square 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta this is 2 cos square theta so this is 4b1 square cos square theta 4 is root over कहते 2 b1 square of b1 cos square theta रो cos theta ठीक है हमें b1 रो मैग्नीट्यूड जानछे cos theta रो मैग्नीट्यूड जानने तो in this triangle this is AOP cos theta कितना हो cos theta is hypotenuse by base by hypotenuse then the triangle AOP cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse तो base कितना होची L hypotenuse कितना होची that is L square plus R square रो रूट ओवर ठीक है सब्स्टिट्यूट करियो 2 this is 2 mu naught by 4 pi b1 केते आस्तिला that is m by L square plus R square रो खाली एति आस्तिला cos theta केते that is L by L square plus R square to the power half or root over 2 b1 is equal to mu naught of 4 by m by L square plus R square cos theta is L by L square plus R square or root over ओके तो b नेट केते आसीबो mu naught by 4 pi एठी m होछु 2l डिवाइडेड बाय एटी पावर 1 होछु एटी हाफ होछु तो l square plus r square to the power 3/2 ठीक है तो कहता है इसलिए b net is equal to mu naught of 4 pi m into 2l divided by l square plus r square to the power 3/2 ठीक है हमें जानी छे डायपोल मोमेंट m is equal to m into 2l तो एटा कोन हेचो डायपोल मोमेंट हेचो तो दिस we can say b net is equal to that is mu naught by 4 pi that is m by l square plus r square to the power 3/2 so the magnitude of net magnetic field is equal to mu naught of 4 pi m by l square plus r square to the power 3/2 डायरेक्शन टा बाहर करें ठीक है ओके okay b net is equal to that is mu naught by 4 pi that is m by r sorry l square plus r square to the power 3/2 ठीक है तो एठी हमरो दीटा वेक्टर्स अछि that is b1 and second is b2 एंगल केते अछि this is 2 theta let us say this resultant vector bn makes an angle phi with b1 ठीक है तो केते हबो phi नबा नले बीटा भी नहीं जाए तो लेट अस से दिस इज phi लेट अस से the resultant vector b1 makes an angle phi with the vector b1 तो वेक्टर फॉर्मूला यूज करियो तो फॉर्मूला कौन थिला दैट इज हमर फॉर्मूला थिला दिस tan phi और tan beta is equal to that is b sin theta by a plus b cos theta ठीक है तो एठी b केते b2 एंगल केते 2 थीटा a केते b1 that is b2 is b2 sorry b is b2 cos थीटा जार केते पका 2 थीटा ओके नहीं ओके तो again we know that b1 is equal to b2 सब जगह b1 कर दबा तो b1 कटि जीवो तो रहिबो केते 1 plus cos 2 theta केते 2 cos square theta sin 2 theta केते 2 sin theta cos theta तो 2 कैंसिल cos theta तो रहिला केते tan theta तो phi टा केते आसीबो theta so that means the angle made by B1 with the resultant vector is theta. So that means ET amar kono, this horizontal line makes an angle theta. So B1 रो BN रो direction मध्य सेटा हबो. एटा थीटा अछि. बुझिलो? So that means B net रो direction हबो along PY. Along PY. ठीक अछि. बुझिलो? Again हमर जो नै थिले let हमें नै थिले let phi be the angle between B1 and the resultant magnetic field. तो हमर आसिला phi is equal to theta. So that means so this is theta. हमर एटा theta थिला एटा theta. This is 2 theta. एटा theta थिला एटा theta. That means B naught direction कौन होगा? This making an angle theta with B1. So this is a horizontal line. तो हमें नहीं थिले एटा PY. तो डायरेक्शन कौन होगा? Along PY. देखो आउट कथा PY रो डायरेक्शन जहा नॉर्थ पोल रो साउथ पोल डायरेक्शन सेम लाइक दिस. तो हमें लिखि परिबा और नॉर्थ पोल टू साउथ पोल. ठीक है. ओके. तो हमर आसीला the magnitude of magnetic field at point P is mu naught of 4 pi m by L square plus R square to the 3 by 2. The direction is along PY or north to south. If it is an ideal dipole, if the bar magnet is an ideal dipole, in that case L ta choto thibo, then L is small. यदि L टा छोटो थिबो L square टा और small. L square is very small. So we can neglect the L square term. So neglecting L square term in above equation, we can write कॉल लिख पारिया L square term टा नेग्लेक्ट कर दो. तो रहइबो केते? तो B net is equal to that is mu naught by 4 pi m. L square टा नेग्लेक्ट करले रहइला केते? That is R square to the power 3 by 2. तो R square तो B net केते हबो? mu naught by 4 pi 2 cancel होइला. तो m by R cube. तो B net is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by R cube. The direction कौन होगा? You can write along PY or north to south. ठीक है. Again I am revising. The magnetic field produced by a bar magnet at any equatorial point is given by Bn is equal to mu naught of 4 pi m by L square plus R square to the 3 by 2, and the direction is along PY, or that is from north to south. And that point P is R distance from the center of the bar magnet. And if that bar magnet is an ideal dipole, in that case B net is equal to mu naught of 4 pi m by R cube, where R is the distance of the point P from the center of the bar magnet. And the direction is south to north or along PY.